click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. So in this video I am going to show you how to open an image downloaded from WhatsApp in Photoshop. So let's begin the tutorial. So many of you may have faced this problem while you try to open an image downloaded from WhatsApp into Photoshop. So you can see here it's display an error message instead of opening it in Photoshop. So if you are also facing this problem in day-to-day uses of your computer, so here in this video I'll show you an easy tricks by which you can easily open which is downloaded from WhatsApp. So go to your image file which you have downloaded from the WhatsApp. So here is my image I have downloaded from the WhatsApp. So right click on this image and now open with Paint. Now click on File and click on Save As and click on JPEG picture. Now rename it to any name as you like. So here I am rename it to bird.jpg and click on Save and close this program. Now I have two images. One is original downloaded image and one is just now I have saved and rename it to bird. So now let's try to open this image into Photoshop. So you can see here the image is now open in Photoshop. So in this way you can easily fix this problem if you are also finding this problem while you want to open this type of image in Photoshop. So you can follow these tricks to open it in Photoshop. So if you are finding this video information useful for you, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest notification. And lastly, thanks for watching my video.